Put your camera down. If you're a Fujifilm photographer, a street shooter, or someone who's been eyeing the X-T6, I need you to pause. Do not pull that trigger yet. Because the rumblings coming out of the supply chain in early 2026 are pointing towards something that isn't just an update. It's a total overhaul of the most beloved camera line in the history of APS-C. We are talking about the Fujifilm X-T6. And for the first time, Fujifilm is planning to bridge the gap between their classic line and their high-end cinema monsters in a way that is going to make the full-frame crowd very, very nervous. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. I've spent the last few weeks digging into the latest leaks from Japan, the Vietnamese retailer slips that were taken down within hours, and the new 6th-generation platform architecture that Fujifilm is currently finalizing. What I've uncovered is a camera that solves the two biggest complaints of the last 5 years, the autofocus hunting and the video-first identity crisis. In this video, we're going deep. We're talking about the new 40-megapixel X-Trans 6 sensor, the stacked architecture rumors, the 200-megapixel monster mode, and why the X-T6 is officially being positioned as the Leica of the digital era. If you care about the soul of your photography, you cannot afford to miss a single word of this. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the 6th-generation platform. For the last couple of years, Fujifilm has been sitting comfortably on the X Processor 5. It was good, but in the fast-moving world of 2026, good isn't enough when Sony and Canon are deploying AI processors that can track a bird's eye through a forest. The X-T6 is the launch vehicle for the X Processor 6. This isn't just about speed, it's about AI-driven cognition. We are hearing reports of a new 500-point intelligent autofocus system that uses deep learning to not just find faces, but to predict movement. Whether you're shooting a wedding, a fast-paced street scene, or a racing car, the X-T6 is designed to stick like glue. This is the fix we've been waiting for. The pulsing and hunting that plagued the X-T series for years is reportedly dead. In its place is a system that feels telepathic. But the real magic is what that processor does for the sensor. The X-T6 is expected to keep the 40-megapixel resolution, because let's be honest, 40MP on an APS-C sensor is the sweet spot for detail. But it's a new 40MP. We are looking at the X-Trans CMOS 6HR BSI sensor. Some insiders are even whispering about a partially stacked design. If that's true, the readout speeds will be fast enough to virtually eliminate rolling shutter. You could shoot a moving train or a swinging golf club with the electronic shutter and see zero distortion. It effectively turns this retro-styled camera into a sports shooting beast. Now, let's talk about the mind-blowing detail mode. Fujifilm has always had pixel shift, but with the X-T6, they are taking it to a level that challenges medium format. We are looking at a 200-megapixel multi-shot mode. Think about that. You can take a landscape or a product shot and generate a file with so much resolution you could print it on the side of a skyscraper. This makes the X-T6 a legitimate tool for archival work and high-end commercial photography, all in a body that fits in your jacket pocket. But we have to talk about the design, because the X-T series is all about the feel. There has been a massive debate